Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. Just wanted to bring you all an update of something that was on my mind, and I've seen this a lot in the cryptocurrency space now, so I just kind of wanted to address it. I see a lot of people who really can't handle their emotions in this market. People who probably haven't done a lot of studying. That's how I was when I first came into this market, guys. It was the first market I'd ever been in, and I just kept hearing people talk about hodl, buy as much as you can, this or that. And I got in early around April, I think it was 2017. So it was a blessing that I was hodling through that. But I remember the emotional aspect of it when you're in a project and you see it drop 20% or you see it gain 20%. And what I wanted to do is just talk to y'all and just say, if you're in this space and you're new in this space, really do your research, do your studying, and really look into all the different chart patterns and the fundamentals of all these businesses, everything before you invest. Because if you really feel as though a company is great and it has good fundamentals, guys, even if the price was going down, but it's still performing well, that's an opportunity for you to accumulate more. And you have to realize that this market is the most volatile space in the world. It really is a wild, wild west. We've seen Bitcoin go up or down $1,000 in 5 minutes. In a 5-minute candle, we've seen that. So, I remember when I was new into this, and every time it was all over the place, guys. I remember seeing Litecoin go from, I think it was in one day, it was like $300 to $150. And I was sitting there going, oh my gosh, what's going on? And that's when I was getting in. I think my lowest buy was $33, and I was getting some at $40, $45. But I saw this happen. I was like, oh my gosh, what did I do? Continuously holding through this. So that's what really sparked my effort to really start reading. And like I said, guys, anywhere I go, I'm a personal trainer. I go into people's homes and I train them. And I've done this business. I started when I was about 23 or 24 years old, and I'm 31 now. But anytime I get a break in between clients or whatever, I'm always trying to study as much as I can, because in this space, no one can be an expert. You can continue to study and study and study as hard as you can, and you'll never reach the depths of what you could in this space. Just to let you know, guys, here's a book that I've really been putting in a lot of time, and this is the one that I study when I'm in my car. I'll bring this one, and I'll do Getting Started in Candlestick Charting by Tina Logan. They're really good ones. And I also want to do a video of every single book that I've studied and every book that I've gotten from like thrift books or whatnot that's really helped me along this journey, because a lot of people ask about the books. And guys, I can show you the Japanese Candlestick Charting, the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, Bear Market Investment Strategies, Rule of Freaking Markets, this one, more Candlestick Explained. There's just so many books that I've been through that I really think can help people. And in terms of these books, guys, besides the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns, which was bought new for $100, my wife got it for me for my birthday last year. These books are so cheap. Like even this one that I have right here, the Getting Started in Chart Patterns, this is by Thomas Bulkowski, so the author of the Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns that you're seeing here. And guys, this book went for $26 without tax in the United States, and I got it for, I think it was $3. And as you can see here, it's in great condition. It has over 300 pages. Tons of information here, where it goes through support and resistance and trend line breaks and just momentum and when to enter and when to exit. Just so many different things here, but it's such a good book. And that's what I'm telling you here. You won't have all that anxiety and the emotions if you understand the market and you understand these retracements and pullbacks and bear markets and bull markets and short-term trend lines and intermediate term trend lines and long-term trend lines and the breaks of those. So there's so many things, and like I said, I really want to be here to help as many people as I can. I've been new in this space before. I got duped. It was my own fault. I was listening to people I shouldn't have listened to. So for me, what I did, I just said, hey, you know what? I'm going to study as much as I can. I'm going to learn this stuff for myself and try to help others. So if you like these videos, guys, like, subscribe. But I'm just here to tell you, if you're in this market, realize this is the most volatile market in the world, and you're going to be dealing with up to 50%, 40% corrections in a bull market even. So, it's different than traditional markets, and I just want to put that on your radar, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.